Today's featured artist is signed to Busy Signals, no Rush Records. Wagwan Kalanga.
There, Sanjay.
Everything good?
Yes, King.
First of all, Kalanga, I have to ask you, where you get the name there?
Well, it's a long story, Sanjay.
We have time.
Because you know, I have a daughter where you know no money fine. So when she born, she always a 60 when night comes up. Them always say, yo, get a back like Kalanga water feel where you come. So you know me, I go check out a way every minute for this back like Kalanga water.
Yeah.
I say, yo, Kalanga you for the with that. So you know, we think about it and we go look it up and
What do you mean?
they have a place in Africa named so. They
Okay.
also have a tree named so.
Yeah.
So I'm more life preserved, you know.
Yeah. For those who don't know your music, describe your music for me.
Well, you know, Kalanga is more of a hardcore reggae music.
Yeah.
Always try to touch the souls of people at
Yeah.
all time. But me have that commanding DJ something like that.
Yeah.
You know?
And speaking of that commanding DJ, something, you know, obviously you work alongside Busy Signal, you're signed to his label. How the link they come about?
Never bridge in the name is Scully, right? We always cook some food and we always eat and the man always say, yo, DJ, say, yo, you have to come check your little star. So you know, we're going to check DJ now, 2009. There's a history.
What's one of the things you pick up from being around an artist as successful as Busy Signal?
The work ethic, you know. Busy didn't know what song when put out this week. Them man just like song. And man I just say, Nanga, you see body of work where you put in like that. So just sing. Nobody pay no attention to me. So man I say, boy, DJ, you're hot. Nobody listen, that's the thing.
How you feel then about, you know what I mean, the new style of dancehall?
Well, when I bash no music, every youth have to do them thing and the music change while it grows.
Yeah.
You know? So all the youth them have to do now is just try to get back to the platform of original dancehall feelings.
I remember those days when I never got no place to sleep.
Talk to me now about your song, the one where you are promoting your single right now.
Well, this single is called Stronger, you know. And when we see the whole pandemic and the whole, you know, and the whole way the music I go, we need to take back the people them to feel back themselves. You know?
Yeah. Yeah.
And man remember when them used to have no food for eating.
Yeah.
Man remember when they don't know if you sleep, you know. Then some man don't even want to remember that.
How difficult has that the period been for you as an artist?
Well, we need to go up on some tour and all of them they cancel. So you know we have to get back to the drawing board, go back into the studio, sing some more songs, start something and dance.
And live long.
So talk to me about Stronger now. Who produced it?
No Rush Records.
And what's the plan for it? Is it part of an album or is it just like a single? Or?
Yeah, it's a single off the album. The album is already ready.
How you feel about the album?
Very good. It's not just an album where just jump up and do so. From like 2015 it's a do.
So is Busy one of the producers on the album?
Yeah.
What the response been like so far?
Very good. You know, all over the world, you know, I'm doing all of these interviews, you know, all the people them calling. Some say, Kalanga, long time if you go back there, so.
You have the album now, you start release the singles off it. Yeah, we start getting a little light at the end of the tunnel now. Any hopes of going back on tour to promote the album?
Yeah, well, for real, for sure. You know, we have England, we have Africa, you know, we have Miami. We have some place lined up right now, wherever just.
My road never smooth all.
You ever collaborate with Busy yet?
Well, this is the first one.
This is the first one?
But that's gonna release, but we have more.
Okay. So how excited are you for now? So the first single with you and Busy?
Sanjay, man, I don't know what say glad bag of boss man can't wait.
What do you think the scene in Jamaica need more than anything else? Musically?
They just need to open up the music. Cause we are like Sanjay, we are the backbone of the reggae music. Why it's not opening up? Just open up the music to youth them man and who forget help, get help.
Yeah.
And that's all we need. A whole heap of talent at Jamaica, but we just need it.
Lastly, now Kalanga, I want to tell him what most makes Kalanga intense.
What most make Kalanga intense? Keep back in the island breeze, man. Smoke all these island trees at them riverside, man. And make good music.
That's a good one, Kalanga, no rush music.
Thanks, Sanjay, man.